will talk about how can you find messages on your MoneyLion app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find your messages. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here, just click on it. So when you click here in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on messages here, just click on it. So when you click on messages here, it's going to take you to next step here. So just begin to open a video. So then it's going to show for you like this here, and here can you find your messages here. Click on messages, and here you will find all your friends or messages here, and here can you connect your support here on messages too. So here can you find your messages if you have it. I have no message yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.